Why do you want to be married? Anong gusto man ninyo magpakasal? To be united forever and to be sealed by the sacrament of marriage, and which no one can even separate and destroy this matrimonial covenant.
Never saw the morning light quite like I do now. Never said no to a party. Never started saving money. But everything is different since you've been around. It's the way you're smiling at me. It's in the way you hold my hand. It's the way I've watched you change me from a boy into a man. It's a million things about you, and I don't know what it is, but I have never known a love like this.
Bali, transfer ko gikan sa Davao, nag-transfer ko doy balik sa CMC. Nami isa ka subject na nag-classmate ni. Usahay, sunog-sunog lang sa mga barkada.
First impression ako sa suplado, kay sa school medyo nerdy maguna siya. Then dili ka siya mo storya. Kaning usahay na through up naman joy mga times na dili mi magasinabot, na apoy times na okay may duha ana lang. Tapos abutan man siya. And masaligan ko.
It's the way you're smiling at me. It's in the way you hold my hand. It's the way I've watched you change me from a boy into a man. It's a million things about you, and I don't know what it is, but I've never known a love like this.
Actually sir, dugay na gyud mo ni plano, nagyan ni plano din sahay makakuan lang usay say mga una basig ma-short sa kwarta ana, pero at least karon happy kay ko kay natupad na gyud akong pangap yun na mo ni sa una pa. Salamat lang pug ko kay nana karon na tupad na gyud akong pangahap duha.
Can you feel the love tonight? Can you feel the love? There's a calm surrender to the rush of day.
Sa 10 years mi na nag-uban, bali nag-start na mi og uban mga 6 or 5 years mi nag-start. Nagpuyo na mi sa isa ka balay ato na time.
10 years na mi karon, kibatin happy kay ko karon, tapos medyo pulba pod kay syempre kaslud na last day being single.
Can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best.
Promise na ilab ta ka and dili ta ka pasagdan through ups and downs na to, and soon sa tong maging queens, soon mag-uban na tang tolo. I love you and good luck sa to po. See you later.
Moy kanang di na ko sa ang gapo na kinabuhi ko, paningkamutan lang nako wa taong atong kinabuhi ug makamit na to tong mga pangarap, lalo na karon na padunungay na ko maamahan, then maningkamot lang po ko.
Can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wonder that we got this far. And can you feel the love tonight?
broken hearts are found to each other, and these two hearts will become one in the sacrament of marriage. Kaya ang tawag natin sa kanila, pag kinasal na ay nag-iisang puso. Okay? In a nutshell, it speaks of the unity of two hearts and now become one whole heart, which is full of love, commitment, and happiness.
Vagabond.